The Motorola Edge 30 Fusion that is expected to be released alongside the Edge 30 Ultra and Edge 30 Neo tomorrow is actually the rebranded version of the Motorola S30 Pro. The Edge 30 Ultra is also the name of the international version of the Motorola X30 Pro that was launched in China last month. The Edge 30 Fusion is a premium mid-range smartphone with really nice features. It has a beautiful texture design and is available in 3 different colors: blue, black, and white. A few leaks about the device's retail box popped up online, and according to the leaks, the retail box is actually brown in color. It's a very simple retail box, and it's actually different from the retail box of the Motorola S30 Pro. As you can see, the S30 Pro has a white retail box. The retail box states that the Edge 30 Fusion has a price tag of about 49,000 rupees. That's about $600 plus. Now, according to the specs, the Edge 30 Fusion is, like I mentioned before, the same as the S30 Pro. So it flaunts a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. It is powered by the Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC, and it's available, I think, in different variants. So there's an 8GB and 12GB RAM variant, and the onboard storage is up to 512 GB. As mentioned earlier, the phone has a textured design. Also at the back, there's Motorola's logo and a camera bump that houses 3 cameras and an LED flash. The cameras consist of a 50 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2MP macro lens. The phone has a centered punch hole that contains a 32 megapixel camera for selfies. There is a volume rocker and power button on the right side of the smartphone. The SIM slot, USB Type-C port, microphone, and speaker grill has been positioned at the bottom of the smartphone. It seems the device would house a 4400 mAh battery that supports 68 watts wired fast charging. It's also going to ship with the latest Android 12 with Motorola's custom skin on top, the MyUI 4.0. As for the price, the retail box reveals that the smartphone might cost about $600. Now, I want you guys to take all that I said in this video with a pinch of salt, because most of the speculations, most of the specs, features that I've just mentioned are based on leaks and rumors. The device will be released tomorrow alongside the Edge 30 Ultra and the Edge 30 Neo. So then we'll get to know the full details of the smartphone. But what are your thoughts about the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.